Hi everyone, this is Brian from HobbyQuest, and today I'll be showing you our magic trick, the magical ladder. And with me today is Julian. He's going to be my volunteer for this trick. So Julian, what I have here are two rubber bands, which I'm going to just put on between my hands like this on my fingers. And you have a card over there. I'm going to ask if you can just please fold that card. Yeah, just like that. Good. We fold it into fourths and just place it on the bottom rubber band, just like that. Great. So now the card is hanging from the bottom band. I'd like you to take that paper clip and just clip the bottom of it so that we can trap the card. So now that the card is trapped, we're going to use some magic and we're going to have the card melt up to the top of this ladder of rubber bands. So we're going to say a magic word, abracadabra, hocus pocus, and the card will start to melt up the ladder until it reaches the very top, just like that. And that is the magical ladder. All right, so I can show you, now I'm going to show you how this trick is done. And this trick is done with some very, very simple things. All we need is a card, a paper clip, and two rubber bands. So the rubber bands are ordinary rubber bands. The secret to the trick lies in how we position the rubber bands. So when we are preparing the trick, we take our rubber bands, and you can actually show the audience that they're just regular plain old rubber bands. But you're gonna go ahead and put it on your fingers like this. You're gonna put one on your ring finger, you're gonna put one on your index finger, and you're gonna do the same thing for the other hand. So they're just gonna be in between your hands like this, on your ring fingers and your index fingers. Now, once that's all set up, you can direct your volunteer to the card and have them fold the card. And while they're doing that, you just want to set up your rubber band for the trick. So what we have to do is we want to actually turn our palms like this, and you're going to slip your pinky under from underneath. You're going to slip it over the rubber band that's at the very top. So the topmost rubber band, you're going to slip your pinky under it. And once you've slipped it underneath, you can just go ahead and write your hands again and put your fingers. So put your other three fingers, your pointer finger, your middle finger, and your ring finger, and put them through the openings made in the rubber bands. And this is how we set it up while the audience is setting up the card. So go ahead and set up the card. You have your volunteer fold up the card into fourths and just slip it onto the bottom band. Okay, and then we have the audience member go ahead and just put the paper clip on the bottom, just like that. Good. So now you can show the audience that the card is trapped, and the rest of the trick involves carefully sliding the band that has the card on it, and just carefully letting it slip off your fingers. And as it slips off your fingers, it should go up the ladder, just like that. And you can help it along a little bit by using your thumbs. Just go ahead and push the other band that's right above it, and that'll help the band slide up. So once again, I can show you. We just want to have you just want to use your thumbs, and you can just say that the card is melting through the rubber band like that, and just use your thumb, push the rubber band, and let the other band with the card on it slip off the tip of your fingers, and it should appear that the card is climbing up the rubber band. Okay, so this is the magical ladder trick. It will take a bit of practice to get it to work completely, but the idea of it is pretty easy once you've learned how to do it. So thank you for watching our video, and I hope you have a great quest.